all my children should listen today carefully, see properly, read your book from tomorrow. Okay, don't read the whole book one day, little you should read. Okay, don't understand, read again. Small story book it is. Okay, you have 1 month time. 1 month has how many days? 30 days, right? 30 days you have to read that small book what we gave you and make a summary. Read the summary and write. Okay, and give it to us. Okay, yes, Jabina ma'am. Now let me call Jabina ma'am. She is going to take the session now. Okay, inshallah. Okay, over to Jabina ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
So, hello, dear little ones and teachers there. Good evening and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, we have all gathered here for a story time, right? I know that everyone loves stories, right? I love stories. Amida ma'am loves stories. And then your teachers love stories and you all love stories. So, but some of us, are so lazy that we don't like reading stories. But reading is very important because the more you read, you're giving more food to your mind. Okay, and you grow. You learn a lot of things. You learn about plants, you learn about animals, and you learn about everything, right? You learn so good words so that when you grow up, you can speak so fluently and you will be smart speakers. So for that, you have to cultivate, you have to start into that habit. Okay, start with that habit of reading. So you all must promise to yourself that you will read stories. So here I have come with a small story. I hope you would all enjoy it. So let's begin the story. Okay, I'm going to share the screen, but I would want everybody to be listening to the story word by word very clearly. I want your ears and your eyes for me today. Okay, you have to sit with open ears and open eyes. Don't miss out a single word because you won't understand the story. So here we go. Okay, let me share the screen.
Let's see which story ma'am is going to tell us today. You want to know? Yes, yes. A very interesting story. Yeah.
Okay, this is, see, a short story. It is a short story. And you can see a picture there, right? You can see few animals. Yeah, almost all animals are familiar, right? You know these animals, right? You can see here, you can see an elephant, you can see bear, you can see monkey, you can see rabbit. The story's name is The Elephant and His Friends. See, it's underlined, The Elephant and His Friends. So here I go with the story, okay? And as I said, you have to promise me that you will give your ears and eyes to me, okay? I'm going to take it from you. So this is it. Once upon a time, a lone elephant made his way into a strange forest. Okay? It was an afternoon. So where did the elephant go and to which place did he go? Once upon a time, alone means a lonely elephant. He had no friends, made his way into a strange forest. The forest is new to him. He was never there before. It was new to him and he was looking to make friends. He didn't have any company. He wanted friends. He approached a monkey and said, he went near a monkey, right? Approached a monkey and said, hello, monkey. Would you like to be my friend? The monkey said, you are too big to swing like me, so I can't be your friend. See, what do monkeys do? They enjoy swinging from one tree to another tree, right? So the monkey said immediately, you are too big to swing like me, so I can't be your friend. The poor elephant then went to a rabbit and asked the same question. Which question? Hello, rabbit. Would you like to be my friend? The rabbit said, you are too big to fit in my burrow. Where do rabbits live? In burrows, right? Holes. So You are too big to fit in my burrow, so I can't be your friend. See, the rabbit also said no. The poor elephant also went to the frog in the pond and asked the same question. So next, after meeting the monkey, then the rabbit, it went to the frog. The frog lives in the pond and asked the same question. Okay, which question? The same, which it had asked the monkey and the rabbit. Hello, frog. Would you like to be my friend? The frog replied, you are too heavy to jump past me. The frog jumps, right? That is what the frog loves. So you're too heavy. See the spelling H-E-A-V-Y. See, when you read, you must be reading one by one each word. Okay? Seeing a big word, you should not stop reading. So the frog replied, you are too heavy to jump. You cannot jump as high as me. And I can't be your friend. The elephant was really sad because he couldn't make friends. Then one day he saw all the animals running deeper into the forest. See, what did he see? He saw all the animals running deeper into the forest. And he asked a bear, what was the fuss about? He had no idea. Okay, so he asked, what is it? Why are all the animals running to the forest, into the deeper area of the forest? The bear said, the lion is on the loose. See, how do you read this word loose? Z sound. You see the spelling L-O-O-S-C, right? But you read it as loose. See, the lion is on the loose means the lion is so angry. They're running from him to save themselves. See, animals are all scared and they're running into the deeper part of the forest. Why? Because they're scared. They want to escape from this ferocious lion, right? Elephant went up to the lion and said, please don't hurt these innocent people. See, please don't hurt these innocent people. Please leave them alone. See how good a character this person is, right? All these animals, they never wanted to be friends with this elephant. But when these animals were in danger, what did the elephant do? It wasn't scared. It never was scared about anything, right? So immediately it went to the lion and requested that please don't hurt these innocent people. All these animals are innocent. Please don't hurt. Please leave them alone. The lion scoffed. The lion was so angry, no? The lion scoffed. That lion makes a sound, no? You know that sound? Yeah. The lion scoffed and asked the elephant to move aside. See? Then the elephant really got angry and pushed the lion with all its might. Elephant is very powerful, right? Huge size. So it gathered all its power and then hit the lion with all its might, and the lion was down, hurt. All the other animals came out slowly, started to rejoice. All the other animals, now animals were all happy because they didn't have to hide into the deeper forest, right? All the other animals came out slowly and started to rejoice. Rejoice means they were all happy. They were celebrating the lion's defeat. The lion was attacked, right? The lion was lying down without any power. See? Defeat. So the mighty elephant defeated, right? They went to the elephant and said to him, now everybody was happy. Elephant had made all animals happy, right? You are just the right size to be our friend. So what did the animals say? You are the right size to be our friend. Now, they don't consider him as too big, right? First, when it went to the animals, what did the animals tell? You are too big. You cannot swing. You cannot fit into the burrow. You cannot jump as high as me, said the frog, right? Now, nobody is telling about the size. Now, everybody finds it as the perfect size because elephant has done something good for all the animals, right? Everybody likes the person who does good for others. So, did you get the story? Very simple, short story, right? Show me your thumbs up if you understood the story. All of you show thumbs up. Did you all understand? Yes, I can see few. Okay, see? So what is the moral of the story? Every story has a lesson, right? Animal stories, especially all these animal stories, give us a value, an important lesson, which as children you should all have it, right? See, when you go to school, you have friends there, right? Do you pick your friends because your friend is very tall or very short or very fat or very thin? How do you select your friends? Depending on their size? No, right? You must like the person. If you like a person, you make friends. That is how here also, Ya Lamha, here also, since the elephant did something good, it was liked by all the animals and everybody was ready to make friends because they were rejoicing. You understood? So you all should be doing something good. Then only everybody will love you and like you. Okay, this is the story. Now, how to make it into very small so that if ever you read a story, how will you help your friends to read the story? How will you ask them to read? Instead of giving the whole story, you can put it in minimum words, small sentences. Okay. So what is the magic for that? I'll help you. See, this is it. This is called a story map. You know a map, right? Google Map. Whenever you travel, if you do not know the place, Google Map is there. And when you visit Lulu, also you can see map there to help you locate where is this shop, where is cafeteria, all that you can see, right? Where to go and shop at Bata, where is the shop you do not know. So you see the map there. So map, it helps you to locate the places. See here, a story map, it is a map about a story. It gives you all details about the story. Okay. When you have English classes and you have English lessons, no, you can ask your teacher also. We'll ask your teachers to give you this story map. Somebody is scribbling here. We can read your name.
Sankirtana,
Okay.
don't scribble.
Yeah.
Touch your
Yeah,
screen.
keep your hands off the screen. Now listen, this is story title. You know what is the title, name of the story? What is the name of the story that we had? And what is the name of the story? See, the elephant and his friends, right? That is the name of the story. Now, setting means when and where the story takes place. See, when we were reading the story, it was mentioned one afternoon and where? In a strange forest. So that is the setting here. Okay. Now, name of the author. Usually, who has written the story? It will be always given either under the name of the story or at the end, right? Here we didn't find any. That means we do not know who is it, right? So unknown author, okay. But in your books, sometimes you see the name of the author. So you should take your English textbook and check where is the name of the author written, okay? That is an exercise for you. Now, the next is characters, right? Characters means who are the characters? It can be people, it can be animals, it can be things. And in this story, we have few characters like elephant is there, bears are there, rabbits are there, monkeys, fox, all this. These are the characters here. And now, what is, see, a plot means events in the story. What happens first, what happens next, and what happens later. Here you know, right? The elephant comes to the forest. It doesn't have any friends. It first goes to which animal? You remember? Goes to the monkey. Then it goes to the rabbit. Next it goes to the frog, right? So that is it. But nobody is willing to be friends. But what happens last? Last, it has to fight a climax and solution, right? It has to fight a lion, an angry lion, and then everybody makes friends, right? That is the climax. Moral, you get that? by seeing the size of a person, you do not know, you cannot judge what the person is. Or if you do good to others, they will also do good to you and they will be friends with you. That is it. Okay. Now, see something from this story. How to make a short summary. This is an idea. And then how to write it. You all must try writing it because writing will always help you. You must all know how to write. Yes, ma'am, you can see the screen, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
See, this is it. Okay, this is how you are going to write. Whenever you read a story, you can make a box like this. Okay, and there you can write. Ask your teachers to give you this. So when you get this, you can fill in yourself. See, name of the story you can write, The Elephant and His Friends. Author's name you should write. Where it happens, one afternoon in the forest. Who are the characters? See, the elephant, rabbit, monkey, frog, bear, and the lion. Who is the main character? An elephant. What happens? See, action. One day, an elephant. Okay, I'll just annotate so that you can see it well. See, what happens? See, this is it. See, I'll tell again. Title of the story, the name of the story you should write. And near author, you must write who is the writer. Then where it happens and when it happens. See, in the forest, one afternoon. Then what? Characters, right? The people or the animals or the things in the story. Here, the main character, it's about the elephant, right? So the elephant. Elephant, rabbit, monkey, frog, bear, and lion. See, you should practice writing this so you will learn the spellings also. Then what happens? Elephant was moving alone. Then nobody was there to be friends. And then it was very sad. One day it fights an angry lion and all animals love this elephant, right? What is the moral of the story? If you do good, you will get good friends. See, even if you make spelling mistakes, you don't have to worry, okay? Even with mistakes, you should try to write because through mistakes, you learn, right? How many of you like writing? Let me see. Raise your hands. Strong. You must be strong. Okay. This way you should raise so that I see. Do you all like? I can see few of them. Yeah, Ishan, I can see. Then I can see Afsalna. Afsalna also likes writing. Good. Then who else? Lamha doesn't write. Lamha, you do not like writing. You like? Okay. Maliha also likes. Then who else? Eh? Yeah, you should all try to write. Okay. Mistakes, it's not a problem. After making mistakes, only you learn. See, when I was small, I used to write. I used to make a lot of mistakes. But you should always write. Okay, see, this is how. Now, this is called a summary. A very short thing. See, that big story, we have compressed it, made it very small. See, after you hear this or you tell your friends this summary, they will all love. See, first you write the name of the story. Elephant and His Friends is the story of about whom? An elephant, right? Who goes to many friends, animals to be his friend, right? He asks many animals to be his friend. All say no to him. You can also write that. All refuse to be his friend, right? All say no to him. You can make it very simple also. But what happens? There is a twist. One day he fights an angry lion. One day he fights an angry lion, which makes the other animals love him. That is the reason why other animals started loving him. And in this way, the elephant gets his friends, right? So this is called summary. See, very small. How many sentences are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Did you understand? Will you all try to read a story and write your own summary?
Yes, ma'am. They have a story, ma'am. In the Google Drive, we sent a story book.
Yeah. So will you all try?
Month they will read the story.
You will have rewards, and yes, those who can present it will get extra points. Okay, you must present it. You must read. One day I'll also come to hear stories from you. See, you all may be good storytellers, maybe wonderful storytellers, better than me, right? How many of you are ready to tell me few stories. Let me see. Mohammed Rayan is already raised his hand. Yeah, Maliha.
We'll already raise the hand. They'll say, ma'am, lots of story, not too
Okay,
much.
okay. So I'll also come one day to listen to your stories. Okay.
Okay. So what's
will
your
have
job
fun.
now, children? What's your
Yeah,
job?
Hamida ma'am, we will have fun with them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
One
Yes,
day we
ma'am.
will come for your presentation. Yo, Hadi, very good. I can see your hand. Ramla bin.
They all love to read, ma'am.
Yeah,
They're very good
Jaswin.
readers, everybody.
Jaswin,
Yeah.
will you tell me a story, Jaswin? Oh, I can see your hand. Very good, very good. So we'll come one day. Hear a lot
Okay.
of stories from you.
You will read the
What
story.
was the name of the story? You remember? Ma'am, can you unmute? Adil?
Elephant and his friend.
Oh,
Ishan is
Adil, Adil
typing.
gets fine.
Ishan
Okay,
is
now.
typing. Ishan, yeah.
Somebody else, miss?
Ma'am,
Who else wants to
Jaswin.
answer?
Jaswin, you ask one question.
Jaswin.
Come on.
Jaswin, who is the main character here in the story?
Elephant.
Elephant.
good.
Very good, very good. Okay.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay, Rudrapriya.
First elephant.
Rudrapriya, ma'am.
oh,
Rudrapriya,
where is the story happening?
Ah,
Forest. Okay.
Yes, Hira. Ma'am, Hira
Oh.
asked a question.
Okay. Listen. Okay. When was it? Morning, evening, or night, or afternoon? When was it?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Yeah. Very good. Was he coming here for the first time or the second time?
First day.
First
First
time.
time. Yes,
New place, right?
first time.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to tell a sentence. You have to tell me true or false. Okay. That is my question now.
Maliha, ma'am.
The
Maliha,
elephant had many friends.
Maliha, true or false?
Yes.
When the elephant came to the forest, he had many friends.
True or false?
False.
False. Very good.
Next,
Okay.
Ishan.
Next, Ishan. First, the elephant went to the frog. Ishan, true or false? First, the elephant went to the frog.
False.
False.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Now, again, also true or false. Okay, that is also true or false.
Muhammad Aman, unmute.
Okay.
Your question.
The monkey said, "You cannot jump as high as me."
Yes.
The monkey said, "You cannot jump as high as me." True or false?
False.
False. Very good.
Very good. Harini.
Very good. Very good. Then,
Harini next.
okay. Then the rabbit was ready to make friends with the elephant. True or false?
Yes or no, Harini?
True.
The
Rabbit
rabbit was ready to make friends in the beginning. Okay, in the beginning. The rabbit was
False.
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 Okay, okay. Yeah.
Syed,
Okay.
Syed, you unmute. Syed Muhammad, unmute.
Okay. Now, can anybody tell me the spelling of lose? You saw a word there. I told you it has to be pronounced like lose. Z sound should be there. Can anyone tell me the spelling of lose?
Syed Muhammad, who want to say? Adil wants to say? Yeah, Adil, come on.
L-O-O-S-E.
Very good.
Very good.
Now, see,
Yeah.
there was a word. I don't know if you remember. There was one word like the lion was let loose, but this what? Which is the animal? I forgot. Which is the animal that wanted to ask lion something? Which was that animal? I forgot. Very bad memory. Which was the animal?
Elephant.
Thank you. Elephant. Yeah, elephant. Yeah. The
Yes,
elephant.
yeah.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Okay, thank you. See, I'm very old. I might forget things. You have to bring me on track. Okay, I'm very old. Poor memory, outdated. Okay. Now, battery storage over. Your battery is very energetic. You can fill in lot of things. Okay, you have to help me. Are you ready to help me? Yes.
So thumbs up. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
Lovina.
so-
Lovina will
yeah.
answer now. Lovina.
Yeah, so this is it. So the elephant went to this lion and it with all its, what was the word there? For this power, was a word. With all its, you remember, the word
Lovina, you
starts with
remember?
M. I give a clue. The word starts with M.
Yes, correct, Lavina.
Okay.
No, with all
I'll
its-
give you one more clue. Give you one more clue. If you change M and you put N there, it is very dark. You understood? If you replace the first letter M by N, it is very dark. So what is the word? Got it?
You got it, Lavina?
Once more I'll tell. See, I asked you which is the other word for power. The word has 5 letters, okay? You can write down if you have a pencil or something.
Lamha is telling.
5 letters. The first letter is M, I said. But if you change M with N. Woo!
Night. Lamha said night. Okay. Lavina,
Night.
what's the word?
So what is the
for
word?
power?
Now change N and put M there.
Night will become
Change N.
M then.
Write M.
Instead of N.
Might. Very good, Lamha. Very good. Might
Yes,
means
Lavina.
power. Show me your might. All of you show me your might. Let me see my might.
Come on, mighty.
Power.
Power, yes.
Muscle power. Okay. Might. So what is that? Might. Right? Might. That's power. Okay, might. Okay, good.
Okay, Shazil answer again. Shazil answer.
Now, did anyone else get a question? You can also ask questions. If you have any question, you can also ask from the story.
What's the moral of the story, man?
What is the story? Moral of the story?
What does
I
the story
forgot.
teach you? The moral, what does the story teach you? What does it teach you, Shazil?
Can you tell me the moral of the
Anything,
story?
own words you say. Own words.
Ah,
Guys,
Is it-
look, the elephants.
yeah, Shazil?
This doesn't matter.
The size doesn't matter, right?
I just not
You
matter.
never pick your friends depending on their size or the strength. No, because of quality only you pick people, right? Quality, good character, right? Values, love, kindness, all that is there, right? So what
Why
I
the
said, if
animals
you
became friends with the elephant at the end? Why did the
why
animals,
all animals became friends with elephant?
Adi, why did the animals become friends with the elephant? First they said they don't want to be this friend. Then they became friends. Why they became friends? Because the elephant
Elephant helps them lion.
helped them with
Help all the other animals by what? Defeating the lion, right?
yeah.
What did the see tell? What? Defeating the lion. Show this action and tell the word defeating.
defeating.
Tell defeat. Defeating by defeating the lion. Okay. Hitting hard. Tissue. That's it. Okay. Did you all enjoy the story?
You all enjoyed? Come on, show thumbs up if you enjoyed. Come on. Yes.
Good to see you all. Anyways,
Yes, thank you so much.
thank you all.
Unmute everyone.
Bye.
Like the story?